So you've heard about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the other cryptocurrencies out there. Maybe you're curious. Maybe you're ready to buy. But honestly, you have no idea where to start. You're not alone. Millions of people want to get into crypto, but they get stuck at the starting line. Complicated platforms, confusing terminology, hidden fees. But here's the truth. Buying your first crypto should be simple. And with the right platform, it really is. Meet Coinmama, the friendliest crypto exchange, trusted by over 3.5 million happy customers for more than 13 years. Let's walk through the 3 simple steps to buy your first crypto today. No PhD in finance required. Step 1. Sign up. Creating your Coinmama account takes just a few minutes. All you need is your email and some basic information. This helps keep your account secure and fights fraud, which is standard for any trusted financial service. Step 2. Choose your coin. Bitcoin, Ethereum. Maybe you want to explore other options? Coinmama makes it easy to browse and select from multiple cryptocurrencies. Each one is clearly presented so you know exactly what you're getting. And here's the best part for beginners. You can start with as little as $50. No need to invest your life savings just to dip your toes in. Whether you want to buy $50 worth or $5,000, the choice is entirely yours. Step 3. Pay and receive. This is where Coinmama really shines. You can pay using credit card, debit card, or bank transfer, whatever works best for you. And because they support over 40 fiat currencies including USD, EUR, GBP, and many more, you can buy in your local currency without hassle. Once your payment is confirmed, your crypto is sent immediately to your wallet. No waiting days for transfers to clear. No wondering if your purchase went through. Instant confirmation. Instant crypto. Now, you might be wondering, where does my crypto go? You can use the Coinmama wallet, a secure, easy-to-use wallet built right into the platform. It's designed to keep your assets safe while giving you full control. But what if something goes wrong? What if you have a question in the morning? That's where 24/7's personal support comes in. A real human team, available anytime, ready to help. No chatbots, no endless FAQ loops, just real people who actually want to help. And here's something that matters: security. Coinmama is publicly traded on the TSX Venture Exchange under WUFL. That means transparency, accountability, and a company that plays by the rules. Plus, they never store your credit card details, so your payment info stays yours. Still hesitant? Let's talk about some common fears. What if I make a mistake? The platform guides you every step. What if crypto is too complicated? Millions of everyday people just like you are already using it. What if I lose my money? Start small, remember, just 50, and learn as you grow. Coinmama has been making crypto simple, secure, and accessible for over 13 years. They serve 190 countries worldwide. They're rated 4.4 of 5 by real users, and they're ready to help you take your first step. So here's your moment. No more watching from the sidelines. No more feeling left out of the conversation. Whether you're saving for the future, diversifying your assets, or just curious about what all the fuss is about, your first crypto is waiting.